everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with Mass. So in previous video we have studied about the comparing quantities introduction part as well as 7.1 exercise is also completed. Today let us start the new exercise, that is exercise 7.2. So first question in exercise 7.2, during the sale a shop offered a discount of 10% on all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at 1450 rupees and for two shirts at 850 rupees each? So there is a shop, okay, they have given a 10% of discount on all the items. A customer bought two shirts and two jeans together. So you have to tell the total cost of that shirt and jeans. Okay, let us see one by one. Here two jeans cost is given. So take it, jeans. So two jeans cost is 4,000. So cost price of the two jeans equal to 1,450 rupees. This is cost price. Now they told that 10% discount on this. So how you will find 10% discount is equal to 10% discount means 10 of 100 into for this cost price, that is 1,450. Okay. Now you can simplify, 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. It is 145 rupees is the discount. 10% discount means 145 rupees for this. Now you have to find the selling price of the jeans. So how you will find? Cost price minus discount you have to do, you will get the selling price. So selling price is equal to your cost price, that is 1,450 minus your discount, that is 145. Now subtract this and find the answer. 1,450 minus 145. So subtract this. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 1. So it is 1,305 rupees. So this is 1,305 rupees they have to pay for two jeans. Similarly, you have to find for the shirts. So they have given one shirt value. Each they told one shirt value they have given here, but they said for two shirts. Means how we will find? Yes, cost price of two shirts equal to one shirt value is 850 rupees, another shirt value is 850 rupees. You have to add both. So add these two. 850 plus 850 is equal to 1,700. Yes. So here the value is 1,700 rupees for two shirts. Now again 10% discount on this price. So 10% discount equal to 10 by 100 into for this value, that is 1,700. Now simplify. 0 0 0 0. Now remaining is 170 rupees. So 170 rupees is discount on 1,700 rupees. It means you have to subtract the value. Therefore selling price of the shirt is equal to 1,700 was the cost price minus discount is 170. Now find it. 1,700 minus 170. 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 1 is remaining. 1,530 they have to pay now. Okay, 1,500 500, right? Yeah. 1,530 rupees they have to give for which one? Yes, shirt. But now you have to find the total amount. Therefore, total is equal to selling price of the jeans, that is 1,305 plus selling price of the shirt, that is 1,530. Add these two. 1,305 plus 1,530 is equal to 5,3 8 and 2, 2,835 rupees is the amount customer has to pay. Hope this is clear regarding this question. Let us see the next question. Yes, question number 2 from exercise 7.2. The price of a TV is 13,000 rupees. The sales tax charged on it at the rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. जैसे कि आप सबको अभी पता है, कहीं पे भी आप लोग शॉपिंग करने के लिए जाते हो, आप कुछ खरीदते हो तो उसके बिल में आपको पता चलता है कि टैक्स इतना है, जीएसटी तो आपको पता है, नाउ यू आर फैमिलियर विद इट, तो दैट इज द टैक्स हमें जो कि भरना पड़ता है एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट अलग होता है, उससे हम प्लस करके क्या कर रहे हैं, टैक्स पे कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे भी देयर इज अ टीवी एट द कॉस्ट of that TV is 13,000 rupees. Vinod wanted to buy it, okay, but the tax is 12%. Now you have to tell if he buys that TV, how much amount he has to pay. तो आपको पता है the cost of the TV is, cost price of the TV is 13,000 rupees. Cost of the TV is 13,000 rupees. ठीक है, देन आपको इसी पे आपको कितना परसेंट वहां पे टैक्स लगाया गया है, टैक्स यू नीड टू फाइंड टैक्स इक्वल टू 12%, मतलब 12/100 फॉर दिस कॉस्ट प्राइस दैट इज 13,000. ओके, 0 get cancels, this 0 get cancels. 12 into 130 आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे, यस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई 12 into 3 to 5 and 1, तो 1560 आपका आएगा यहाँ पे टैक्स. सो लेट मी राइट हियर 1560 rupees is tax for this TV now. Okay, hope आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. Yes, now you know the cost price of the TV, you know the tax he has to pay. Now you can find the total amount of the TV. Total amount is equal to cost of the TV, that is 13,000 plus tax, that is 1560. Add these two, 13000 plus 156, yes 1560. Add these two now, 0 6 5 4 and 1, yes. So he has to pay now 14,560 rupees for that TV. 14,560 rupees is the final cost of the TV including tax. Hope this is clear. Let us see the next question. Now question number 3. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, find the marked price. Now we don't know the mark price. How much was the cost price in the beginning? Okay, तो अभी हमें total amount he pays पता है. आपको पता है हम डिस्काउंट क्या करते हैं, डिस्काउंट फाइंड करके मार्केट प्राइस से उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, हमें मार्केट प्राइस मिलेगा. लेकिन हमें टोटल अमाउंट दिया गया है, तो लेट कंसिडर मार्केट प्राइस. ओके, मार्केट प्राइस भी x. हमें पता नहीं है, वी हैव assumed that our market price of the skates is x. Now 20% discount on your market price. Discount on your market price. Okay, तो 20% डिस्काउंट मीन्स 20/100 इंटू, हम हमेशा क्या करते थे, इंटू मार्केट प्राइस लिखते थे, है ना, बट हियर वी डोंट नो द मार्केट प्राइस, राइट इंटू एक्स. होप दिस इज क्लियर. ठीक है. नाउ यू वांट द सेलिंग प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस क्या करते थे हम लोग, मार्केट प्राइस माइनस your discount is how much, 20x upon 100 हो जाएगा, है 20x upon 100 इक्वल टू हमें दिया गया है, दैट इज 1600. होप आपको ये समझ में आ रहा होगा. लेट बी क्लियर वंस अगेन. हियर वी डोंट नो द मार्क प्राइस. ओके, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द स्केल्स वी डोंट नो, सो कंसिडर कॉस्ट प्राइस एज x. ओके, then 20% discount on your market price means 20% off. Percent means 20/100 of market price, that is our x. Market price is x. But you know that selling price, how we will find? Yes, your market price, that is x. Here I will write x only directly. ठीक है, market price x minus your discount. Discount is 20 into x is 20x upon 100. That is given, that is 1600. तो अब यहाँ पे आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, x minus 20x upon 100. तो you can take here LCM. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there. So 100. So 100. So in denominator we are multiplying 100, so that in numerator as well we have to multiply 100. So you will get here 100x minus 20. How much the 100? 20. Yes. How much we are multiplying here to get the 100? 1 we are multiplying here, so that 21s are 20. 20x we have to write, so that this is 1600. होप यहाँ तक समझ में आ रहा होगा, है ना. तो अब हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 100x minus 20x upon 100. 100x minus 20x is 80x. So this 100 will come this side, becomes multiplication, equal to 1600 into 100 equal to 80x equals to 1000, yes, into 2 zeros. तो हो जाएंगे आपके like this. Okay, then x we want 160000 upon 80 हो जाएगा, get cancel, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 3 zeros remaining. I hope simplification भी आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. 1600 into 100, you will get this one. Next x you have to keep here, 80 will come this side, it becomes a division. Then you have to simplify, you will get the value of x. Then what is our x? X is our market price. We have considered x as a market price. So that market price of this thing is 2000 rupees. After discount he paid how much rupees? 1600 rupees he paid. So in this way we have to solve. So in this exercise you have 5 questions total. So I have solved 3 questions. Remaining 2 questions is for you. If you can't able to do, then please comment me in the comment section. I will come with that solution. Thank you. Bye bye.